happened, Tesla? You fell asleep. And rain.
Oh,
What? So we plan to do a Christmas party today. It's supposed to be a Christmas party with a few of my Filipino friends. But they had to cancel it because a few of I'm not actually sure if some of our friends are sick. But anybody, the reason why we had to cancel because the friend who's hosting the party have family from Philippines, and she's just scared that anybody, like somebody will show up with COVID or the Omicron, because Omicron is already here in Canada. And so there is a limit now for parties inside the house, 10 people only inside the house. We're more than 10, but even so, even if we were less than 10, she doesn't feel comfortable having people over because her family from the Philippines might catch it, and I don't know if like the insurance will be enough, or of course I don't want anybody to be sick while on their holidays. So the party is cancelled, and now we don't know when we're gonna have it. Probably after the holiday season, after Christmas, after New Year, because of that restriction, 10 people, and we're more than 10. But that's okay, we can always do a virtual party. And another update, what's it? Oh, I haven't heard from my parents in the Philippines yet, although some of my neighbors who already have Wi-Fi signal and cell phone reception is telling me that they're fine, but no one has told me so far if they've seen them or if they've talked to them. So I'm still worried, I'm still waiting for news from them. And yes, but good thing Siquijor is not as badly hit as the other provinces like Bohol. So that one is really badly hit. Cebu is also badly hit. Jan's parents are okay, thank God. And we're only waiting for news from her sister, Jan's sister. We haven't heard from her yet. But my brother in Cebu, he's also good, he's fine. It's just that his store in Cebu is damaged, so there's a lot of repairs that needs to be done. But everyone's well, everyone's fine and safe, so that's the most important thing. They're safe. Thank God they are safe. I forgot to take video for my TikTok. Okay, TikTok time. 12 minutes na. So I hope Christmas will still be, that's the TikTok time. Merry Christmas. After all the trials that we went through this year. Well, we don't know what's gonna happen because I don't think I'm allowed to say it, but we know already that there is COVID cases in Whistler right now. I'm not gonna say where, but there is. I've heard there for sure confirmed cases, 6 confirmed cases in one of the restaurants here. So that is sad because it's gonna spread fast because everybody's, not as careful as we were a year ago. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Like the trees are so wide. It's like the ones in the movies. When we when we went to Seattle, on our way to Seattle, I think there's a highway there that's all trees, and we went there and it was really snowy. It was around December. Was it December ba? Like, why was it snowing? No, this November something, but it was snowing so hard, so it looked almost like this, like all so white. That was a really nice drive. It's just before Seattle, from Surrey to Seattle. Ay! Like in the middle of Surrey to Seattle. Halaka, this is like 14 minutes already. Because let me stop for, I'm just gonna rest my arms. Okay, we are in Creekside already. So actually, this traffic is not because of the snowstorm. This is the normal traffic during weekends when people are coming up to ski and snowboard. Oh, Tesla.
Payarang Tesla.
Tesla is down.
Kaya po ako yung tayo ng palit.
Wow. So you refuse Tesla, huh? Wow. What happened, Tesla? You fell asleep? Hala, nabangga pa di ay. Hala, like there's a dent on his car. So he bumped into, hopefully not someone, maybe he bumped into a post. Normally here, if there is an accident, you cannot pass through right away. You'd have to wait on the... Oh, actually a few days ago, when was that? Tuesday or... When was that? Wednesday? Maybe Wednesday or Tuesday. There was an accident somewhere here. And my kid texted me after like being on the bus for an hour. She just was telling me, Ma, we are stuck on the road. We're inside the bus. We've been here for like 2 hours already. So just to update me. And I was asking her if she's okay, if everything's fine, if she wants to go home, because she said some of the students were heading back home, and I asked her if she wants to go home as well, and she said no, she still wanted to go to school. And about and I just told her to just keep updating me, and after about an hour she texted me back, and she told me she's already in school, and she spoke to the teachers that she missed, the classes that she missed, and she said the teacher told her that it's okay, she knew already they were stuck. So yeah, if something happens on the road, you'll be stuck on the road for hours. Like in the Philippines, if there's an accident on the road, normally you can still pass by, you can still go around the accident. There, so we left 20, so what? 14 minutes earlier, and then now it's 3 minutes, so 17 minutes na. Oh, but we're almost there, right? Like mga panalagay 5 minutes. Okay, still I won't still make it, so be a bridge up ahead just a little bit. There you go. Yes, I told her I'm coming. Yan siya, yes, but di naman ko, I cannot message her now because I'm using the phone. Oh my gosh, that would have been a good one for TikTok. Okay, let's be able to post this today. Or maybe
Dali
tomorrow.
ako mga na.
Yeah, but the other one I haven't posted. Okay, never mind. So that one, the first one, I'll just post it tomorrow. So I'll post this one first because this one is not. Well, it's as long as the other one, but the other one, that was the update. So I would have wanted to post that first because I was updating about what's going on with me. So please watch that one tomorrow. I will be posting that tomorrow for sure after this video. Like what's going on with me now, what I'm doing now, because I quit. I'm not working anymore. So yeah, my story will be on that video. And please comment down below if you want to see more of Whistler and request like where you want us to go. Hopefully we can do that. My husband is very busy at work. Today is his only day off. And after this, I don't know when his day off again, because of course there's less staff in Whistler as of the moment, so they're working a lot. Or maybe he will be off after tomorrow because of this Omicron. Maybe they won't, like, they open a new restaurant in the hotel, like not really a new restaurant but a new extension of the restaurants in the hotel, because we were expecting it to be really busy, but with this Omicron thing, it might actually be closed or what, you know, like restrictions are more restrictions related to COVID are being created or implemented. So who knows what will happen tomorrow. Okay, we are already in the village, so no, let's go straight to Fresh Market first, and then after that we will go around and
Oh,
what the, oh my god,
kita mo.
oh my god, ikaw po nag-stop. Oh my god, nakuan ra siya pa.
Gikan sa gili ko dito.
Nasubraan siya. I didn't
Pero
even,
slide gid sa area.
wala ko kita ato sa camera, but na-capture siya sa camera because wala man ako i-end. Happy trabagit na ako i-end. Look at that. I'm just gonna let you see through my window.
Pagban mo dito.
Tao. Oh my god, scary. Look at this. Ooh, Whistler, so beautiful. It's dangerous also when it's this heavy snow because yeah, it's so slippery. Oh my goodness, there's a bus that's stuck. Oh no, I know, right? Dako po to yung car. What happened to the bus? Papa, careful. Oh, it's so tight.
Padrip mo na ako na.
Buyag, simba ko, Lord. Oh, wait. Because this is really good for TikTok. This is really nice. We used to live in this area, and each time we drive here, it's so beautiful. And I used to walk here from work and to work. I've been here in a while. Okay. This is it. We're in the market area. Yeah. Okay.
So stop. Ito na stop.
Where? Huh?
Padala ko.
Asa
Dito.
Oh, ilang taon ka luoy ka nang nasa atubangan ka na?
Kamu ba?
I know, but magsige siya kuan hunat-hunat basig maiguta.
Pasan mo. Anak dito.
Yeah.
Ano?
Hala, dito ka parking ka ani.
Ayun.
Hala, sure ka?
Dito.
Maka-parking ka ani?
Dito.
Magkaikubya ka ha? Wait. Unsa gani? At sa front nato ka? Uy. Okay. So scary. Papa, agay. What if na itawo? Agay, ginoo ko Lord. Okay, we are moving. I don't know why. Stuck. My jacket is stuck. No, wait. Dili siya makuha ni paak.
Oh, I don't know.
Grabe ka pa. Ni paak ra, pero mas
Pero
maigo.
luwag pa beroy, luwag kayo. Asa man na siya?
Sa Fresh Market.
Sa sulod? Mag-video ko?
Yeah, sure. Okay. That's going to be nice.
Ha? Putlo na ako? Wala ka diya?
No, I will have something there later.
Wala ba kayo mas?
Di ba balik mag-mask eh?
So, nag-indoor. Videohan ko na.